Can ChatGPT really make you money, or is it all just hype? If you've been scrolling YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter lately, you've probably seen people claiming they're making thousands a month using AI. But is that realistic, or just clickbait? In today's video, we're going to cut through the noise. I'll show you 4 to 6 practical ways ChatGPT can actually make you money, the realistic earning potential, and a few tips to help you get started without wasting time. So let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of people hiring writers, social media managers, and even customer support assistants. With ChatGPT, you can speed up content creation, draft emails, and even generate ad copy. For example, if you charge $50 to write a blog post, ChatGPT can cut your writing time from 5 hours to 1 hour, meaning you can take on more clients and scale faster. Realistic earnings? Beginners might earn a few $100s a month, while experienced freelancers leveraging AI efficiently could pull in $2,000 to $5,000 plus per month. Second, you can use ChatGPT to create and sell digital products. Think ebooks, templates, prompt packs, or even online courses. ChatGPT helps you outline, draft, and polish products that can be sold on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. For example, you could create a 30-day productivity journal or a guide on personal finance using AI as your co-writer. Once uploaded, these products can generate passive income while you sleep. Realistic earnings? New sellers might make $100 to $500 in the first month, but with marketing and multiple products, it could grow into $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. Third, ChatGPT is a goldmine for content creators. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, write YouTube scripts, generate SEO blog posts, or create engaging social media captions. For example, there are faceless YouTube channels making thousands monthly using AI tools for both script writing and video production. Realistic earnings? It depends on your consistency and niche. Some creators barely make $50 a month, while others scale to $10,000 plus after building an audience. Fourth, you can make money by building automation tools or chatbots with ChatGPT. Businesses pay for automation, whether it's a customer support bot, a lead generation tool, or an AI-powered FAQ system. For example, if you set up a customer service chatbot for a local business, you could charge a setup fee plus a monthly retainer for updates. Realistic earnings? 1 or 2 clients might bring in $500 to $1,500 a month. If you scale to multiple businesses, this can easily reach $5,000 plus monthly. Another method is offering AI coaching or consulting. Not everyone knows how to use ChatGPT effectively. If you position yourself as an expert, you can charge people to teach them how to integrate AI into their work or business. For example, run a workshop for small business owners on how to use ChatGPT for marketing and productivity. Realistic earnings? Coaching sessions can range from $50 an hour to $1,000 plus for group training packages. And finally, affiliate marketing. Many AI tools, including premium versions of ChatGPT alternatives, have affiliate programs. You can create content around these tools, share your affiliate link, and earn commissions when people sign up. Realistic earnings? Beginners might make a few dollars, but consistent creators can build long-term passive income streams. So, can ChatGPT really make you money? The short answer is yes, but not without effort. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic money printer. Success comes from combining AI with real skills, marketing, and consistency. Whether you start with freelancing, digital products, or automation, the key is to pick one path and go deep, instead of chasing every shiny object. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which ChatGPT side hustle are you most interested in trying? Comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips on AI, money, and financial freedom.